So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and many of you are having some queries regarding the arcade game. So let's move directly to the game. Here you can see 5199 spots are remaining, and here you can see 0 spots are remaining. So what does the spots mean? I want to make you clear so that you are able to understand what arcade works like in the arcade game. So here in simple words, spots means seat. For example, if you're traveling in any train, you must have done any reservation for train, maybe even for flights also. So you occupy a space there, like you are having a personal seat. Similarly, when you join the game, you occupy a seat. For example, if I join, let me just check. First of all, let me check one thing. Yes, I found the game. So, for example, I'm showing you a demo. For example, I want to complete level 2. When I click on start, you can see here 6235 spots are remaining. Now here I haven't joined the game yet. Okay, so how to join the game you must be knowing. So how we are occupying a particular spot I'm just showing you. So when you just copy the access code and you can clearly see it's 6235. When we'll just join it will become 6234. Okay, so you can clearly see we occupied a seat. Now here problem you might be in the arcade base camp you can see 0 spots are remaining, but people who have already joined can complete the lap, but people who are trying to join now, it will show that this game is not opened currently for joining, or maybe the spots are full. Now what you need to do, you need to simply wait. Okay, simply wait. Whenever the spots will be added, we'll update you via shorts or maybe detailed video or directly in the Telegram channel. So join that for any updates. Coming to the next thing, you can see here periodically they update the spots. Sorry. So here is 3338. Sometimes it may become 3334. You can clearly see two spots someone occupied. So like these spots get decreasing, spots decrease, sorry. So here in simple words, if you want to understand what is spot, it is a seat which is occupied by any of the member who want to complete the arcade game. In simple words, it's just like a reservation if you want to just understand the analogy. Now don't worry, these spots will be added, and as of now complete all the remaining arcade games. The complete solution guide is available. Come to the channel directly and just check it out. And if you want a complete guide, okay, if you want a complete detailed guide how to join, for that also I have shared the playlist. If you just see, this is our cohort 1 playlist. Come over here, all the videos from starting, how to just join the arcade, what are skill badges, how to complete, how to create the account, how to just participate in the facilitator program, all the resources guide, how you can just prevent, what is the arcade insider email, all resources, all updates are covered in the channel. Just check it out. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.